Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing how to make pepper vada. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. In a bowl, take 1 cup of urad dal. Clean the urad dal and soak it in water for about 1 hour. The urad dal is soaked for 1 hour. Rest soaked urad dal on the kitchen napkin for about 10 minutes. Transfer the urad dal to the mixer and grind it coarsely. If required, sprinkle water. The batter should be in thick consistency. Add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. Crush pepper little by grinding it to 1 or 2 pulses. Transfer the urad dal batter in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. 2 tablespoons of rice flour for crunchiness. Mix them all together well thoroughly. Make even lemon-sized balls. Take a ziplock and cut it into half and add little oil. Spread the oil evenly on the ziplock. And place the lemon-sized urad dal ball and press it gently with a cup. Make a small hole in between. Heat the oil for deep fry. Gently add the flattened dough in the oil. Fry it on both the sides evenly. As you can see, the vadas are golden and crispy. Pepper vadas are ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.